Slaton, one of the most recognized faces from TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, is no stranger to transformation. Since first appearing on television alongside her sister Tammy Slaton, Amy has taken viewer on an emotional rollercoaster, from struggling with morbid obesity to embracing motherhood, and everything in between. But her latest revelation might be the biggest one yet. After years of battling health issues, turbulent relationships, emotional stress, and the constant gaze of a reality TV audience, Amy has decided to take her life in a new direction. In a heartfelt and emotional social media post, Amy revealed that she is embarking on a significant lifestyle overhaul, one that focuses not just on physical health, but mental clarity, emotional healing, and personal growth. Her fans are stunned, inspired, and curious to know what this change truly means for her future. Amy Slaton has always worn her heart on her sleeve. Whether it's her early YouTube videos or her dramatic televised weight loss journey, Amy has made it clear that vulnerability is her strength. In recent months, however, her posts have hinted at growing tension in her personal life. Her split from ex-husband Michael Halterman made headlines, and custody issues over her two young sons, Gage and Glenn, have only added more pressure. Many fans assumed she might retreat from the spotlight or quietly focus on her family, but Amy had other plans. Her announcement took many by surprise. She wasn't going to hide, she was going to heal, and she was going to do it publicly. In her latest Instagram live session, Amy spoke candidly about what pushed her to embrace this new lifestyle. After the divorce, I felt lost, she said tearfully. I wasn't sure who I was anymore. I was a mom, yes, but I was also exhausted, overwhelmed, and emotionally drained. I kept asking myself, what does Amy want? What does Amy need? And the answer was, peace. That peace, according to Amy, starts with intentional living. I've spent too many years just surviving, she continued. Now I want to live, really live. The lifestyle changes Amy is making are holistic in nature. She's not just focusing on her weight, although she did confirm that she's recommitted to her fitness goals. Amy has hired a new personal trainer and nutritionist who specialize in working with post-bariatric patients, helping her create a sustainable routine. She's also exploring plant-based eating, saying it's helped with her energy levels and mood. It's not about being skinny, she emphasized. It's about being strong and healthy for my boys. But perhaps the most powerful part of Amy's transformation is what she's doing on the inside. Amy revealed she started therapy for the first time in her life, a decision she said was both terrifying and freeing. Growing up, we didn't talk about mental health, she said. We didn't have the tools. I'm just now learning that it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to cry. It's okay to say you're not okay. Her sessions have helped her unpack years of trauma, including her complicated relationship with food, body image, and feelings of self-worth. I used to think love came from being needed, from taking care of others at the expense of myself. But now I am learning to love me first. Amy's new self-love journey also includes setting boundaries, particularly in relationships. In a cryptic TikTok video that quickly went viral, Amy alluded to cutting off toxic people from her life. Though she didn't mention names, fans speculated she may have been referring to past romantic partners or even certain family dynamics. Not everyone is meant to go with you to your next chapter, she captioned the video. The comment section was flooded with support. Amy, you are glowing. One fan wrote, you are becoming the woman you were always meant to be. One major change fans have noticed is Amy's return to creativity. Before reality TV, Amy was passionate about art, makeup, and crafting, interests she rarely had time for in recent years. Now, she's dedicating time every week to doing what she loves. Her YouTube channel, which once centered around haul videos and makeup tutorials, is being revived with a new purpose. Sharing her journey toward healing and happiness. Her most recent upload, titled, A New Chapter, shows a more relaxed, centered Amy laughing, painting, and even dancing with her sons. It's a side of her fans haven't seen in a long time, and they're loving it. Financial independence is also part of Amy's plan. With TLC contracts always uncertain and reality fame often fleeting, Amy has begun exploring other income streams. She's launched her own line of motivational journals and self-care kits, inspired by her own journey. "If I can help one person feel less alone, it's worth it," she said in an Instagram story promoting the launch. Sales have been strong, thanks to her loyal fanbase, and Amy has hinted that more products, including a children's book series based on her sons, are in the works. Of course, no transformation comes without criticism. Some online commentators have accused Amy of seeking attention or being inauthentic. But Amy is unfazed. "People will always have something to say," she said during a recent podcast appearance. "What matters is that I'm finally doing something for me. And that feels damn good." She also addressed her critics head-on, saying, "I know my truth. And that's more powerful than any headline." Amy's fans, for the most part, are nothing but supportive. Thousands have commented on her posts with words of encouragement. "You are so strong, Amy," one follower wrote. "Thank you for showing us that it's never too late to change." Others shared their own stories of healing and transformation, inspired by Amy's bravery. "Your journey has helped me start mine," one woman wrote. "Thank you for being so real." Tammy Slayton, Amy's sister and co-star, has also publicly supported Amy's new lifestyle. In a joint TikTok live, Tammy said, "Amy's doing amazing. I'm so proud of her. We both been through hell and back, but she's glowing now. It's her time." Their bond, which has sometimes been strained on the show, appears to be stronger than ever. Fans have expressed hope that future seasons of 1000 LB Sisters will explore more of their individual growth and less of the drama that once defined the series. So what's next for Amy Slayton? According to her, the possibilities are endless. She's considering writing a memoir, doing speaking engagements about body positivity and mental health, and even returning to school. "I want to show my kids that it's never too late to dream," she said. "And I want them to grow up seeing their mama happy, healthy, and whole." In a world that often defines people by their lowest moments, Amy Slayton is rewriting her story. She's choosing joy over judgment, healing over hurt, and progress over perfection. And in doing so, she's showing millions of viewers that true transformation isn't about numbers on a scale, it's about reclaiming your power, one day at a time. As Amy continues to share pieces of her journey online, her message resonates more than ever. You can fall apart, and still rebuild. You can lose everything, and still find yourself. And most importantly, you can decide, right now, to start again. Because change, as Amy Slayton has proven, is always possible. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.